How to change the color of an imported image or logo in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the color of an imported image or logo using Canva. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, head over to the Canva from any web browser and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once you're inside the main dashboard of the Canva, it's time to create a design. And here for this video, I'll just select the YouTube thumbnail. And once you're inside the design, it's time to upload the logo. So just upload the image from the download folder, or you can even drag the image from any website. So here I'll just use this logo. And here once it's uploaded, simply drag it into your canvas. And after that you can click on logo to select it and then choose edit photo, and after that simply scroll through the effects until you find one called duotone. So go ahead and click that, and once duotone is applied, click on duotone effect again to customize it and set the highlight to white. And now on the shadow you can choose any color you like. You can even paste in a hex color code if you want a specific shade, or just pick from the color wheel. And that's it. You have now changed the color of an imported logo in Canva. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.